Welcome to this video tutorial of TelmarHelixa's cross-media planning solution. This video consists of 5 parts: the home page dashboard, the audience creation section, the media selection screen, the planning mode and additional feature. Let's get started. On the home page dashboard, there are 3 tabs. The default view, which is dashboard. My campaigns, which are all your previously created plans. This option also gives you access to any files that have been saved to your company drive. And My templates. These are previously created plans which were saved as templates. The amount of campaigns and templates you have created are summarized under the main tabs, and the 5 graphs represent the last 5 plans you have created. If you have a large list of previously created campaigns and templates, you can search for your saved plans in the search window. The 3 dots next to your plans provide 4 options: edit the plan, duplicate the plan, delete the plan, or add a tag. Add a tag allows you to organize your plans by clients or by groups. For example, if you have several campaigns for a summer promotion, you can save them under the same tag. Next, click on New Campaign. Here, you can either pick up where you left off, or choose Start a New Campaign. The first option will take you to your current analysis which may not have been saved. Select Start a New Campaign and give your plan a name and select the drive where the analysis should be stored. Now we are in the Audience Creation module. If you have started a new campaign and have not yet named it, you can change the name at the top by clicking on the pen icon. The first window above the codebook is where you can select the survey. Click on the down arrow and select the settings icon. Here you can search by name for a specific survey, by provider, or by survey order. The search window allows you to quickly find data items based on specific keywords. Use the Reset button to return the codebook to its original structure. There are several ways to create target audiences in Plan. The first way is to select the data items by ticking the box next to the demographic and using the arrow keys to move them to the right-hand side of the screen. You can also drag and drop codebook items. When doing this, make sure you see the plus sign before dropping the data. When creating target groups with several demographics, tick all the boxes in the codebook and then select Auto. This will automatically add the Boolean operators between the various data items. And lastly, there are specific settings you can apply to all target groups or to individual ones. The Save Custom Audience option allows you to save target groups that you will be using on a regular basis. These can be saved to your personal or company drive. The saved file will then become available as a data item in the codebook. You can also select some target groups and delete them by using the Remove Selected option. Additionally, the audience code can be displayed or hidden, and audience codes can also be combined. The individual target audience options are: edit the group. When you select this option, you can add additional data items by dragging and dropping them into the code builder. And you can rename an audience, duplicate it or remove it. In the media selection module, there are various ways to help you select the optimal channels for your campaign. Use the search window to look for specific channels. You can select these by ticking the square box next to the title and using the double arrows to move them across, or you can drag and drop your selection onto the right-hand side of the screen. You can also search for specific media categories, such as print. Select the print option you need and then the individual print titles. To rank the selected channels in either ascending or descending order, click on the cursor next to the target. The top right-hand window displays the channels by media type. The 3 dots next to the word title enables you to save a selected list of channels. This will save the group of media vehicles for future use with the same survey. You can also easily remove channels. The target icon displayed next to the media channels indicates that this channel can have an addressable audience assigned to it. In the media planning module, you can easily duplicate a plan by clicking on the plus sign. The additional options for each plan are available by clicking on the 3 dots next to the plan. Here you can duplicate and delete the plan as well as renaming it. The target markets you have created are displayed at the top of the actual plan as well as the various media metrics. If you want to add additional columns, you can do this by clicking on the 3 dots next to media. Should you have a subscription to ESG data, this column option will be highlighted. You are also able to adjust the reach options as well as specifying the effective reach range. Now you can add the required GRP levels by media channel. To define the addressable audiences, click on the 3 dots next to the media channel. Now you can select previously created groups or create a new audience. Once the audience has been created and applied, the icon will change, indicating that a specific audience has been applied. You can apply a different addressable audience for each digital media channel. Once the addressable audiences have been defined, you can enter the impressions per channel and the required frequency capping level. If you have media channels that you want to group together, tick the box next to each one and select Save as a new group. Save your work by clicking on the disk icon in the top right-hand corner. You can also compare your plans by media, audiences, and by frequency distribution. And lastly, you can graph all the results in the visualization module. You can compare the plans individually or side by side. And you can export your plans to either XLS, PowerPoint, Google Sheets, or Slides. The settings icon enables you to change various aspects of the graph. We are continuously developing Plan to become the chosen planning program for cross- and multimedia planning agencies worldwide. In this section, we will show some of the new features that have been developed, such as ranking and sorting media channels by specific metrics, entering total required reach levels by traditional media types, optimization by media channel and detailed spot planning. Once you have created your target audiences and selected your media channels, you can easily add additional media metrics in order to evaluate the most effective channel for your media plan. In the media module, select the 3 dots that are displayed next the media label. Here you can manage additional metrics, hide the ESG score as well as hiding the survey code. Once you select Manage Audience Metrics, you can choose additional data indicators. For this video, we will add Composition Index. When selecting Reorder, simply drag the metric you want to see first to the top of the list. The Sort option allows you to specify which metric and audience you would like the sort applied to and whether the sort should be in descending or ascending order. In the Planning module, you will be able to see the reach potential of the media channels you have selected. The reach potential will change based on the specific target market. You can now enter the required campaign reach by media type. In this example, we want to achieve a total reach of 50% for television and 20% for radio. Once these have been entered, Plan will allocate the reach percentage by individual TV and radio station based on the total reach entered. Plan also has the ability to optimize towards specific objectives. Access this feature by hovering your mouse over the window of any of the media channels you have selected. 3 buttons will appear. Click on these, select Optimize. Now you can optimize on a specific plan, or create a new one. Select the strategy. In this video we will select Reach Percentage, enter the value and adjust the effective frequency level. You are also able to specify the allocation of either impressions, budget, or GRPs by media channel group. Note that the percentage total must add up to 100%. Select the target audience for which the optimization is intended, enter the optimization value and select the Optimize button. While the optimization is being calculated, a progress bar at the bottom right-hand side of the screen will show the optimization processing. Plan will allocate the reach and GRPs to those channels which will produce the optimal mix of exposure at the specified reach level. Some surveys include details of viewership or listenership by daypart or by hour. If the survey you subscribe to has this level of detail, you can use this feature to allocate spots in more detail. To access the planning detail screen, click on the square board next to any of the traditional media channels on your plan. In this example, we will select Magic Radio. A summary view is displayed, showing the allocation of spots by the previous optimization. Click on the button called Go to Spots. Now you are in the Spots Planning module. Adjust the spots per time channel, or add additional spots as required. At the top of the Spot Planning module, you will see all the channels available in which you can adjust the spot placements. Plan will recalculate the media performance and adjust the results taking the new spot allocations into account. And that's the end of our Telmar Plan training video. Should you need any support, please reach out to your client success team.